Being a mom part 5. It's been 2 months postpartum and I don't know where my body is, where my sleep is, or where my diet is. I'm feeding my child one side, I look at my husband, I'm like, My life revolves around this only. I eat, next 2 hours I'm hungry. Next 2 hours I'm hungry. Oh my god, sleep. My baby is on a different mission. When I was pregnant with her, I danced a lot. Yeah, keep me fit. Doctor said be fit. Right now the whole night. My baby is dancing. She's making me dance. Why? Because in the night it's party time for her. It's sleepy time for mama. But does she care? She doesn't even know what is happening. In the daytime she sleeps like Kumkaran. You throw a plate also down there, she will not get up. You play loudest music, she will not get up. But then the minute I sleep, she goes from this to this. Toilet business also has been a task. I cannot go when I want to go. I have to wait till I get such a pressure that I deposit all in 2 seconds and I'm out of the toilet. So that is the time limit my baby has patience. 30 minutes at break at work is to be like so short break. Who can eat in 30 minutes? Trust me, I've learned to eat in a minute. Jana tu mai zatoy, kota tuka. My mother said those words to me and I always said, it's so easy. Mama, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry.